Welcome to your English learning adventure. Get ready to listen, learn new words, and have fun practicing English. Before you watch, make sure to subscribe. It tells YouTube you like this content, and they'll recommend it to more people like you. Let's grow together.
Hey, Jack. You look really tired today. Is everything okay?
Hi, Emma. I'm okay, just very sleepy. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, why not?
My neighbor had a big party. The music was so loud until 3 a.m.
3 in the morning? That's terrible. You need some good coffee right now.
Yes, for sure. Let's go inside this coffee shop. It looks nice and quiet.
I love this place. I come here sometimes. The smell of coffee is always amazing, and their cakes are great too.
Hi there. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a large cappuccino, please?
Of course. Would you like regular milk or a different kind, like oat milk or almond milk?
Just regular milk is fine. Thank you.
Great. And for you, sir?
I'm not sure. What do you recommend? I need something strong.
Our Americano is very strong, or a double shot latte gives you extra energy.
A double shot latte sounds perfect. I'll have a medium one, please.
Good choice. Can I get you anything to eat? We have fresh croissants and chocolate muffins today.
Oh, a chocolate muffin sounds delicious. Yes, please.
Okay. So that's one large cappuccino, one medium double shot latte, and one chocolate muffin. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. Your total will be $12.25.
I'll pay. Here's my card.
Thank you. Just tap here. Great. It's approved. We'll call your name when your order is ready.
Thanks.
So, what time is the big meeting today?
It's at 10 o'clock. We still have about 20 minutes to relax.
Perfect. That's enough time to enjoy this coffee. I really need it.
I know. The meeting is about the new project, so we need to have good energy.
Right. I hope it's an interesting project.
Order for Jack, a cappuccino, and a latte.
That's us. I'll go get it. Here you go. One large cappuccino and one latte with a muffin for me.
Thank you, Jack. This smells so good.
Let's try it. This is much better. I feel more awake already.
Good idea. I love watching the people and cars go by. It's so relaxing.
Yeah, it is. Oh, look. Isn't that our manager, Mr. Smith, walking outside?
Yes, it is. Don't remind me about work. I'm not ready yet.
Don't worry. You have your coffee now. You will survive the morning.
That's true. Coffee is my best friend before 10 a.m.
Mine too. Okay, let's drink up. We should leave in about 10 minutes.
Great job, everyone! Now it's time to learn some new words from our story. Welcome to vocabulary time. Let's look at some words, their meanings, and examples. Neighbor, someone who lives near your house. Example, my neighbor plays music every night and it's very loud. Almond milk, milk made from almonds, often used by people who don't drink regular milk. Example, almond milk is a healthy choice for your coffee. Oat milk, milk made from oats, used instead of cow's milk. Example, I like to drink coffee with oat milk. Terrible, very bad or unpleasant. Example, the noise from the party was terrible last night. Awake, not sleeping, alert. Example, coffee helps me stay awake in the morning. Recommend, to say that something is good or the best choice. Example, what do you recommend on the menu? Approve, to officially say yes to something. Example, the payment was approved by the cashier.
Useful expressions. Get ready. Here are some powerful expressions from today's conversation. Use them to level up your English and speak more naturally, just like a native.
You look really tired today. You seem tired or sleepy. Example, hey Mark, you look really tired today. Did you go to bed late? For here or to go? A common question in cafes. Do you want to drink it here or take it away? Example, barista, for here or to go? Emma, for here, please. That sounds perfect. That idea or suggestion seems really good. Example, Jack, a double shot latte sounds perfect right now.
Now it's time to check your understanding. Let's answer a few questions about the conversation you just heard. Listen carefully and try to remember the details. You can pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's go.
Why was Jack very sleepy? He didn't sleep well because his neighbor had a big party with loud music until 3 a.m. What does Emma suggest to help Jack feel better? She suggests going to a coffee shop to get some good coffee. What kind of coffee does Emma order? Emma orders a large cappuccino with regular milk. What coffee does Jack choose? Jack chooses a medium double shot latte. What does Jack order to eat? Jack orders a chocolate muffin. How do they pay for their order? Jack pays by card, and the payment is approved by the cashier. Why do Emma and Jack wait before their order arrives? Because the barista will call their name when the order is ready, so they wait at the table.
Great job so far. Now it's your turn to speak. In this section, you'll answer some open-ended speaking questions related to today's topic. Try to speak out loud and use the new words and expressions you learned. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes progress. Describe your favorite drink at a coffee shop. What do you usually order? I usually order a latte with oat milk because it tastes smooth and creamy. Have you ever had a neighbor who made loud noise at night? What happened? Yes, once my neighbor had a party and I couldn't sleep. I went to bed very late. How do you pay in a coffee shop? Cash, card, or mobile payment? I usually pay by card because it's faster and easier. What do you do while waiting for your coffee in a cafe? I usually sit by the window, watch people and cars, or check my phone. Talk about a time when you were really tired. What helped you feel awake? Last week, I was very tired, and drinking coffee helped me feel awake. My dear friend, our English lesson is over today. Active listening will make you progress. Don't forget to practice. You need to practice to become strong. Want to master Learn English? You're missing out if you're not subscribed. I upload new tips and tricks every day that will take your skills to the next level. Subscribe now and never fall behind. Good luck. Goodbye.